Hey guys, I wanted to just go over a few of the steps for installing the Moxon Vise. I've got two holdfasts here. I've got bench dogs in every single one of the holes here, and I will now show you how to install this vise. One of the things that I want you to be aware of is the fact that this vise is a little bit top heavy, so be careful as you put it on the bench. It could fall forward, so just keep that in mind. You can put it on the bench in the general location of where it needs to be, and then put your holdfast here to just help support it. But what I recommend doing, of course, is just to hold it and to position it first with the tail vise. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and position it. Obviously, this part of the tail vise is movable, so I'm going to move this dog hole up, slide this into place, and then bring this one back and clamp it in. So as you can see, I'm just going to bring this back, raise this up, and all the while holding the vise. I don't want to let the vise go. Once you've got the tail vise locked in, then you're good. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. So once the tail vise is in position, then I can further secure it with the holdfast from behind. And obviously you don't want to use a Moxon vise without either the holdfast, and either you could also use a clamp right here. But the holdfast and the tail vise really work good, especially if you've got two holdfasts like I've got here. So two holdfast held in place with the tail vise, and you're good to go. Obviously using the vise is pretty straightforward. Put your stock in there. Obviously angled stock in there as well. One of the key things when you're taking the vise off, I want you to be careful. Obviously if I release the tail vise, then it's only being held in place with holdfast. So just release the holdfast here. In this case, I'm going to release the holdfast. Now just keep in mind, if I do release this tail vise, again, this thing could want to fall forward. So just make sure you hold it in place, release the tail vise, and then simply take the Moxon away. Thanks for watching.